Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Romola. In this video, I'll show you how I made this elasticated belt using Inkscape. Please follow along. I start by drawing a circle using the ellipse tool, and then I shade it in gray. I then duplicate the circle and make it slightly bigger. Remove the fold on the second circle and then check to see that it's slightly bigger than the first. Draw a rectangle long enough to fit 3 of the circles and duplicate it as you did as per the circle. Select the rectangles, both of them, then you go to Part and click onto Object to Part, and then you click onto Exclusion. Rectangles must also be filled in gray. Duplicate the rectangles and separate them, and then select all 4 pieces that you had created. Click on Filters, then click onto Bevel, and then you select Bloom. Now, doesn't your pieces look awesome and much more realistic? Grab the larger circle, duplicate it into 3 and place them according to how it is shown on the video. Then place the rectangles onto the circle and make sure that they're evenly spaced out. Select all the circles, the rectangle, and then you group it. By grouping each piece, it will form one solid piece. Do that for both, and then make sure that the one with the larger circle fits over the smaller circle. That will create a lock. Next, create a rectangle, fill it in black around the buckle that you created or any other color that you desire. This will form the belt. Now select the belt and the buckle of each side and group it separately. This concludes the making of this box. I have many other trimmings that I will show you on the future videos. Please watch my channel, which I will do as time permits.